But as Republicans turn back the clock on contraception, Democrats today are making it clear we are not going back.
The U.S. House of Representatives passed a bill to protect access to contraception, responding to concerns that it could be threatened by a conservative Supreme Court that just struck down the nationwide right to abortion. The bill passed the Democratic-controlled House on Thursday 228 to 195, with all Democrats and 8 Republicans supporting it. It faces uncertain odds in the evenly divided Senate.
The kindest thing I can say about this legislation is that it is duplicative and unnecessary.
Some conservatives, like Republican Representative Michael Burgess of Texas, argue that the right to contraception is not at risk and that passing such legislation could lead to access to medical abortion pills. Democrats introduced the bill after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, and specifically in response to a concurring opinion by Justice Clarence Thomas, who wrote that the court should reconsider other rulings that established rights to contraception and same-sex marriage because they were based on the same legal argument as Roe. Thursday's vote on contraception followed a similar move this week by Democrats to protect same-sex marriage. If signed into law, the bill would create a federal right for people to access contraceptives and for doctors and pharmacists to provide them. Contraceptives are used by 88% of U.S. women of childbearing age who are not trying to get pregnant, according to the Guttmacher Institute, an abortion rights advocacy group. Some state legislatures have introduced bills to restrict access to contraceptives, though they have not passed.